How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to set wallpaper in WhatsApp for a single chat. So open up WhatsApp and then find the chat where you'd like to change the wallpaper of, and then in the top right press the three dots and then open up the chat theme. From here you want to choose wallpaper at the very bottom, and that'll give you an option to choose from the WhatsApp's set wallpapers. So you can turn the brightness down and change the chat color as well. However, there's also an option to choose from the gallery, so you can find a photo of your choice that you want, and then if you like it in the top right just press the tick, and then this will ask you to set the wallpaper, so you just press set wallpaper, and then as you can see it's changed. So that's how to set wallpaper in WhatsApp for a single chat. Thank you for watching.